In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Fidelity app. This app is a powerful tool available on both Android and iOS devices. It allows you to trade, invest, transfer money, deposit checks, and manage your accounts right from your phone. Let's dive into the process of getting it onto your device. First, you'll want to open your App Store. If you're using an Android device, that means heading over to the Google Play Store. For those of you with an iPhone or iPad, you'll be opening the App Store. It's important to know where you're starting because each platform has its unique way of displaying apps. Once you've got your App Store open, you'll need to search for the app. In the search bar, type in Fidelity Investments. Make sure you spell it correctly, as search results rely heavily on accuracy. This step is crucial because typing the exact name helps you find the official app quickly and avoids any lookalikes. Now, when you see the search results, look for the official app. You're looking for Fidelity Investments, published by Fidelity Investments. It's vital to choose the correct one to ensure you get the authentic app, which guarantees the best security and functionality for your investments. A little diligence here can save a lot of trouble later. With the correct app identified, it's time to install it. If you're on an Android device, simply tap Install. For those with an iPhone or iPad, you'll see the option to tap Get. Once you've tapped the appropriate button, the download and installation process will begin. You might see a progress indicator showing how things are coming along. This might take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. After the app has finished installing, you're ready to open it. Tap Open to launch the app. Now, if you're already a Fidelity customer, you can sign in with your existing Fidelity username and password. For new customers, there's an option to create an account. Setting up your account here opens the door to managing your investments wherever you are. At this point, you have the app ready to use on your device. This setup is essential because it allows you to access your financial information and manage investments on the go. The convenience and control you gain are invaluable in today's fast-paced world. Remember, having the Fidelity app means you can execute trades, check your account balances, and even deposit checks with just a few taps. It puts the power of financial management directly into your hands, no matter where you are. This accessibility is what makes the app such a valuable tool for both seasoned investors and those just starting out. Now that you've got the app downloaded and opened, you're all set to explore its features. Whether you're transferring money or keeping an eye on the latest market trends, the Fidelity app has you covered. Enjoy the convenience of managing your investments right from your fingertips. Thanks for watching and happy investing with your new app.